This weekend's a pretty big weekend for football fans, as Michigan State, pretty big game for West Michigan, all over the state, really. I say West Michigan because Becca, Lisa, I'm a little biased. My wife went to Michigan State, but we got a tailgate.
Yes,
that's right. Fair, and the Our Family brand has everything you need and some great ideas. Becca, Lisa, welcome. Thanks.
Thank you.
For bringing breakfast. Appreciate
kind of. Just what you want. Pizza, trail mix.
Yeah. Trust me, this is college breakfast right here. So when it comes to tailgating, it seems like you got the pillars covered here.
Oh, yeah.
Pizza, the wings. Talk to me.
Yes. Well, when we were planning for tailgating, we were thinking convenience. We were thinking something that's kind of budget friendly, and then everything that's really full of flavor, right? I think those are like the three things that we were focusing on when we were building our pillar here, or our menu here. So we baked these Fresh and Finest by Our Family Pizza on the grill.
On the grill?
Actually, Lisa grilled them.
I love it. People always forget that you can grill
a pizza.
So if
Exactly.
you're tailgating and you're grilling, you can still have pizza.
And it was 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and nice and crispy, and you can't get that in the oven all the time.
Perfectly crispy.
Yes.
Yeah, so we had that as kind of the main meal. You're thinking outside of the box, not a normal hot dog, right?
Right.
And then we've got
Hold on a second. I mean, there are sandwiches. And then
a monster.
there are sandwiches as big as your head. I mean, you're selling these?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Needless to say, that's even called the Big Gamer.
Yeah, I mean,
so, you know, it fits the purpose.
All right, so we've got deli meats, great big subs. We got pizza, but I like the wings.
Oh,
I
everybody
like the
does.
chicken. Everyone likes this. And you guys have them ready to go right there on game day.
Yep.
Yes, right in our deli section.
Just heat them up, bring them with you, bring some dipping sauce, easy to eat. But yeah, we brought some spicy ones and then the original to cater to everybody.
Okay, and if you want to get a little healthy, you got hummus and veggies too, right?
Yeah, and then you pair them with the healthy tortilla chips.
Right. Which are also Fresh and Finest, and they are also made in our stores, and they're ours.
They're delicious.
You're saying Fresh and Finest. And for those who don't know, what is Fresh and Finest at Our Family? For the brand.
It is our brand. It is the deli brand.
Okay.
So everything is made pretty close to our own recipes.
So your stuff.
Yes.
All right. The
Very
Fresh
proud.
and the Finest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's what you get.
Exactly why we named it that. Yeah.
Right. Well, I mean, people might not automatically think to go to the Our Family brand, but you guys have everything.
Yep.
Yes.
The whole store. Yep. So not only in the deli, also in the produce department, also in the bakery.
Right.
Yeah. And it's just unique flavors that are, recipes curated by a chef, or they're things that are made in the store. So they're really fresh.
And we can find all of this at any family fair
Absolutely.
across the state.
Yes.
Right? I didn't even get to the trail mix. You want
That's okay. We'll get there. We've got a journey.
I feel bad for leaving you guys out. And the guac and the Mexican dip. Are you getting a theme here? They've got everything at Family Fair. So for your next tailgate, where can people go? Say you want to do a little shopping. You can get all this online and have it ready for you, right?
Yes, it's even easier. ShopFamilyFair.com. You can add it all to your cart. You can pick it up same day most of the time too. I mean, why would you not do that?
You keep doing this convenience thing that I love. Thank you so much.
Time is precious.
Right? Especially on game day.
Exactly.
Lisa, thank you so much
Thank
for the time
you.
this morning. Get everything you need for the big game, whether it's Michigan State, or whoever you're rooting for. The tailgating gear is at Family Fair.